Is this a Thailand group? Like Ken? Sino ba yung nag-request nito? Si, where are you again? Kasi kanina pa niya ito ni-request, no? So, we're gonna listen to it. This is a request from Rose Santos. Is it Rose Santos? Right. Rose. Is to Rose? Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna listen to Foreground. No. Yeah. That's actually the next one that we're gonna listen. No, yung Josh and Heike collab. Um, but let's listen to this first because this is requested to us kanina pa. No. So let's watch the official music video. Kaya palang hina eh. Kamukha niya yung ano, no? Yung gumanap na, I don't know if Thailand version ba yun ng Meteor Garden na parang daming sa. Kasi pinapanood yun ng... No, 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 hindi si Jerry yan. Thailand version ng ano ng Meteor Garden. Parang Meteor Garden din siya. Pero kasi ba sila Taiwan yun? Taiwan sila. Thailand. Thailand na ano version. 'Di ba? Kamukha niya 'yun, yung gumanap na parang Dao Mingsu din sa Thailand version, okay? Hindi Taiwan. Um, Pati babae na kumanta bigla. Wait. Ito yung oh, si Time. Si Time. Yup. Um, alam mo yung ano, sorry sorry na ano tayo. Yung pinapanood yun ng asawa ko, yung unang pinapanood niya, sabi ko, ano ba pinapanood mo? Sabi niya nga daw parang Meteor Garden daw, pero Thailand. Sabi ko, Thailand. Kasi every night, napanood niya yung magkatabi kami. Hanggang sa tumatagal yung panahon, nanonood na ako sa kanya eh, ganyan no. Na, alam mo yung tipong ano, yung patagal na katabi mo, nanonood ng gano'n, nakapanood mo na rin. No? Maganda, actually maganda siya eh, no? Maganda yung version nila ng ano, ng Meteor Garden actually. So I am the less you see me. Oh, that's a different take on this situation, 'di ba? Meron kasi parang kang ano, parang gusto mo siya, pero hindi kanya gusto. Laging gano'n yung take, 'di ba? Pero yung the closer I am, the less you see me, 'di ba? Kasi parang the closer you get to the person, parang lalong ano, tawag dito, lalong nagiging kaibigan yung tingin sa'yo. 'Di ba kasi nagiging mas close kayo? Oh, that's a great take, no? That's a great, ano, concept ng kanta. Wow! Akala ko ano, yung studio ng SB19, di ba ganyan yung background nun? Tapos parang may mga break din. Nagulat naman ako. Wait, my brain is not braining. Is that a girl or a guy? My mind is played tricks on me, no? Kasi yung boses niya is babae, no? The face card, very feminine. Pero yung katawan niya, I mean, he has this polo hanggang sa babae. O, lalaki siya eh. What the heck? We have Ken na sobrang baba ng boses, no? They have uh, this guy na parang ano, sobrang soprano friend, right? Best friend ka nga, but in a category, you're still just a friend. Are you saying this is not a girl? Is this not a girl? Is this not a girl? Brown. That's a great song, no? Nice. Anong grupo nila? LYKN? LYKN, no? You can check their songs. No? Let me check their songs as well.